Hey everyone! Next we are going to read our Decodable Reader together. So you will need book number 11, Jan and the Pan. Today we are going to try to read these green words that we underlined that have our letter of the week. We're going to try to just read those quickly. Yesterday we worked on sounding out and then blending the words, but today we're going to just try our best to read those words. We've done a lot of practicing this week, so we can do it. Let's start with the front cover. We'll read the title of our book, Jan and the Pan. Good. Remember to use your finger to tap each word in your book. If you don't have your decodable reader, you can follow along on the screen and you'll be able to see how I'm moving from one word to the next as I'm reading. Let's go to pages 1 and 2, and we'll start right here reading the sentence. 1, 2, 3. Jan has a bun for a pan. Jim ran to get a tin pan for the bun. Look, the pan is hot, said Jim. Why do you think Jim is getting the pan? Oh, maybe to put the bun inside the pan? Let's see if our prediction is correct. Look at pages 3 and 4. The bun got hot. The pan hit the chin of Jim. Ouch, said Jim. The pan is hot on my chin. Oh, how do you think Jim felt when the pan hit him on the chin? Yeah, it sounds like he was hurt. He said, ouch. Maybe he was hurt and maybe even a little sad. His mouth looks like it's down. Maybe a little sad that his chin got hurt. Let's go into page 5 and 6 and see what happens next. 1, 2, 3. Jan, run. Get a fan for my chin, said Jim. Get the bun from the pan, said Jan. And going on to page number 6. He can not get the bun from the pan. It is hot, said Jim. And turn the page. Jan got the bun from the hot pan. Now the bun is bad, but Jan got the bad bun from the hot pan. Nice reading. Let's think about that story a little more, because we know that good readers think about the words they're reading and make sense of what's going on in the story. So our first question is, what did Jan have to put in a pan? Yeah, that was called a bun. So let's go back up to pages 1 and 2. So on page 1, find the word bun. F-un, bun. Yeah, right here. So in the story, we hear that Jan has a bun for the pan. We also can see in the illustration that she's holding a bun. What does Jim get for the bun? Yep, he gets a pan. And do you remember what special type of pan it is? Yeah, it's a tin pan. So if you look on page 2, we can find the words tin, pan. And tin is just what the pan is made out of. What happens to the bun? Ooh, it gets hot. Let's check. Oh, you're right. The bun got hot. And you can even see in the illustration, because the pan was so hot, now it has made the bun very hot. These are sort of like little heat waves, these little squiggles coming off of the bun to show that now the bun is also hot. And how does Jim get hurt in the story? What happens to Jim? Yeah, he gets hit on the chin with the pan. And we can find the word in chin right here. That word has a digraph. So the pan, we can also see in the illustration, the pan is hitting or bumping Jim in his chin. So after Jim gets hit in the chin with the pan, they're trying to get it out of the pan. So who was it that got the hot bun out of the pan? Yeah, it was Jan. And then we see that Jan got the bun from the hot pan. Do you see what she has on her hand here? How might that be helping her? Yeah, that's called an oven mitt. It protects your hand when you are baking or when you're using the oven. So if something is very hot, using a baking mitt would let you touch the hot tin pan, and then she can use her other hand to take the bun out of the pan. Nice job reading today, friends. You can keep working on reading this book over the weekend with maybe a friend or someone in your family. Have fun reading.